So in this video, I'm going to show you how to slice your design once you've finished designing it. So what we're going to do is we're going to export this file. And what this is going to do, you can either download it as an OBJ or an STL file, doesn't make a difference. I'm going to choose STL. So what's happening now is it's downloading that into my downloads folder. Once it's downloaded, you're going to open up the FlashPrint 5 software. And what you're seeing here, this is actually the print bed. So down here is the base of the printer, and this is how much space you have up above the printer that it can print in. We are going to load the file that's just downloaded, which is our Sceptre top. Okay, and you can see it's there, it fits perfectly, not too big. Now the only problem here is if it prints just as it is, you're going to lose all of these bits, just going to fall down because I've got nothing to support them. So on the right here, there's all sorts of different things you can do. If you found it was too small, you could scale it, etc. But what I'm looking for is the supports one. And I would do this with virtually every design. I would just double check this. Two different types of supports. You've got these little ones like trees, or you have got these ones which they look like this, the little lines, and they break off really easily. So I'm going to just say auto supports, which will automatically add these supports for me. And you can see here. So once those have been added, click back. Now, did you see the orange bit? They are the supports. So all this bit, it's added, all of these bits here. These will just be, you'll be able to break them off your design. Once it's printed, they break off really easily. Once you've added your supports, you're ready to slice. So you're going to tell the computer when to slice. It brings up this options. The only thing I ever change is this one called the raft. And this is the bit at the very bottom of the design which helps hold it to the print bed. I am just going to, because of the design I'm making, I'm just going to lower this down to 3 millimeters. I'm going to say, yes, there is a raft. Sorry, I was wrong in saying it's the only one. The other one I use is this infill. So you can actually change the shape of what goes inside. So in a second, I'm going to show you. I think hexagon is the best. It doesn't use too much plastic, but it's also very solid. And I'm going to go ahead now that I haven't changed anything on that. I'm now going to go ahead and slice. What happens then is the computer goes through and it decides what's going to go on each layer all the way up here. And once we're done, you can actually go slice preview. Now see this little gold bit here? This is the actual print head. What I'm going to do for you is I'm just going to go through, these are all the different layers. So if you remember, I said there was going to be that honeycomb hexagon shape. That's what these yellow bits are. So they're just to hold the inside shape. I'm going to scroll all the way down. So you can see there again the hexagon. This blue bit here, this is the bit that I said, these are the supports. So these are the bits that will break off really easily later, and they don't use too much plastic either. And scroll down further, this purple bit, this layer, one layer, and this layer two, sorry. Let's just go up a layer manually like that. All those purple layers there, so that's 5 layers. They are all, that's the raft, which is going to help stick this design down onto the print bed. Once you're happy with the way that is, you're going to hit this download button. You're going to save it into your downloads folder, and it's going to be a GX file. So make sure it's well named. Once you've downloaded it, you need to copy and paste that onto a flash drive or a memory stick, and you're going to then transfer it over to the printer.